Okay, boys. Now the next question, question number 9, is in which the lateral curved surface area of the closed cylinder petrol tank that is 440 that is 4.2 meter diameter and 4.5 meter high. Okay. Now first question is find the curved surface area, and second is actual used steel if 1 by 12 of the steel is waste. So first of all, we have to find CSA. For finding CSA, we'll apply the formula 2 pi RH. Okay. Once we find the first CSA, after that for second one we have to find TSA, total surface area. Okay, because steel जो है वो ऊपर का curve और नीचे का curve भी use करेगी. So for that we'll use 2 pi R plus H. ठीक है. When we put the value, it is coming 87.12. But as we can say that जो waste हुआ है, let the total be x and the waste is 1 by 12 of x. So it's x by 12 होगा. So when we take a LCM, it will come 12 upon 11 upon 12x, जो कि इस equal के होना चाहिए बराबर waste के बाद जो है. So when we cross multiply it, 12 will go in multiplication and 11 in denominator. When we cut it, it will cut 7 11 sevens are 77, and then point it become 111. So 9 time we can cancel out. So x is coming 7.92 into 12. So when we multiply both the numbers, that is 7.92 into 12, it will come 95.04 meter square. So this much amount of steel is actually used. इतना पूरा यूज हुआ है, इसका 1/12% वेस्ट हो गया था, सो दैट इट कमिंग 87.12. ओके. Now next question, in a given figure you see the frame of lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has base diameter 20 and height 30 centimeter. The margin is 2.5 centimeter is given for the folding it over the top and the bottom frame. How much cloth is required for covering the lampshade? ठीक है, इतना तो हाइट है ही जो 30 है. अब इसमें क्या है, 2.5 जो है वो टॉप से और दिया गया है और बॉटम से भी दिया है फॉर कवर, दोनों साइड से कवर करने के लिए. ठीक है. सो एक्स्ट्रा कितना आ गया, 2.5 फ्रॉम टॉप, 2.5 फ्रॉम बॉटम. ये इतना 2.5 हमने टॉप से एक्स्ट्रा लिया है एंड 2.5 जो है वो बॉटम से एक्स्ट्रा है. तो अब जो हम सिलेंड्रिकल एरिया निकालेंगे उसका टोटल लेंथ में हम ये 2.5 फ्रॉम टॉप एंड बॉटम से भी ऐड करेंगे. So it will be 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, that is 5. So it's 35. Okay. So diameter is given 20, which will be 10 centimeter for radius. Now for height, we'll add 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, that will be 5. Now the cloth will cover only the outer surface area, right? Only the outer surface area. So we'll do the curved surface area. Okay. So we'll apply the formula of CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi RH. So it's 2 pi RH, 2 into 22 by 7, and R is 10 and H is 35. H is 35. So we'll cut 35 by 7. So it's 7 5s are 35. Let's multiply all these values. 2 5s are 10 हो जाएगा. So it's 100. 2200 will be your answer. Yeah, 22 into 2 करके हम 44 ला सकते हैं, and then it will come 2200 centimeter square. The 0 will come at last, so it will be 22 centimeter square. Now the next question, the student of a Vidyalaya were asked to participate in the competition for making a decorative pen holder in the shape of cylindrical base using cardboard. Each pen holder was having a base radius 3 centimeter and height 10.5 centimeter. Okay, so Vidyalaya was supply competitors with cardboard. If there are 35 competitors, how much cardboard were required to be brought for the competition? Now look, cardboard में हम क्या क्या use करेंगे? Look at this diagram. हमारे को एक curve surface area चाहिए and base चाहिए. Base should be covered, वरना जो चीज़ें उसमें होंगी वो गिर जाएगी. For pen holder we cover the base. So for that CSA for the curve surface area and pi r square for the base one. ठीक है, R is given, that is 3 centimeter, height is 10.5. So for this area of one cardboard, sorry, the span holder is CSA plus pi r square. So when we put the value, we apply the formula CSA is to pi r h, that is pi r square. Here you can take pi r common also. Common करके भी आप solution कर सकते हैं and चाहे तो ऐसे भी आप solution कर सकते हो, no problem. So after solving it, 2 into 22, that is 44, and 44 into 3 is 132 into 1.5, and here 3 square is 22 into 9 upon 7. So when we take the LCM of this number, when we multiply it, 132 into 1.5, it gives 198 plus 22 into 9, that is 198 again upon 7. Now take the LCM. 7 and 1 LCM will be 7. So it's 7. After taking LCM of this, in denominator it's coming 7. So we multiply 198 by 7. So it gives 1584. And adding 198 with it, so it gives 1584 upon 7 meters square. Now this is for one pen holder. Now how many competitors are there? 35 competitors are there. So we multiply this area with 35. So the cardboard required for 35 students, it will be 1584 upon 7 into 35. So look, here we'll write 1584 upon 7 into 35. 35 we can cancel out by 5 times, and now we multiply. 5 4s are 20, 2 40, 2 4, 5 5s are 25, and 4, that is 9, and 2 5 and 5 and 7. So it is 7920 centimeter